it is still you versus us.
But can't you understand that we have our perspective? It's a real fact.
Do you care about the starving millions of African people in this country?
I
Do you
care
care
more
about the farm workers who are being oppressed in this country? Do you
No,
care
no,
about
no,
the fact...
don't interrupt me. I've finished. Thank you. Bye. Where is it? Bye.
Okay.
And you won't dare.
Mr. Visagie,
You won't dare interrupting me once more.
very
Take away this man.
Thank you very much. Touch me, and you'll be in trouble. Touch me on my studio.
You touched me.
Touch me on my studio. Touch me on my studio.
You touched me.
And
take away his arm.
Touch me on my studio.
Take away his arm from me.
Touch me on my studio. Touch me on my studio.
I touch you on your studio.
Touch me on my studio.
I touch you on your studio.
You don't do that.
No, don't touch him. Wait.
Let's just go.
Yeah, let's go.
I am not finished with you.
Mr. Visagie, stop threatening this woman, Mr. Visagie. I'm telling you, stop it now. Would you stop it now, Mr. Visagie?